how do I want to do this? I think I want to. So here. Okay, let's go see Dream. I need a couple headshots. Have you seen alternative animation? What is cleaner? Ooh, which tool? Dreamspace. Voices from Elevenlabs in it too. What? What's up, Jerry? Good to see you. I'm just messing with Higgsfield. Make it so you guys could kind of see a little better. And something like that. There. Nice. That way you guys could kind of see what's going on. Anyways, messing with kind of curious what that tool is though. Let's see. So I think I'm going to go to Ideogram and get my selfie. Actually, I think I have it in my document. Wow, I'm already here. Too hard to explain because I can't write a normal text in here. Like, I know it sucks, huh, with the Dreamspace. Like, you can't like share what it is. It's voices from Elevenlabs in it. And it's an alternative to Higgsfield animation for AI influencers, which is cleaner. And what? Oh, suspense. Well, babe, good to see you. Good to see everyone. What am I signing into? Oh, Ideogram. That's why. So, or I should just get it from Canva. Ooh, fancy Canva. Basically, from here, I'm just trying to. Been playing around a ton with AI book sales picking up. There you go. Selling books online. I like that. You guys are making money online. Put in the chat how you're making money online. Just curious. Courses, consulting. I'm just kidding. So, I need a really good headshot so we could use this with AI. And you could do this with any AI. Download, PNG, 1, done. Automations. Well, it's building some automations. I like it. All right, I'm going to take me. Actually, I want to just repurpose something. I have a bunch of different ones, but can I have this one. Let me get it from Ideogram. We're just going to use this one. Look, nah, this is just, don't believe everything you see online, Alfredo. Trust me. Everything's a lie. Everything's a clone and a lie. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now is AI avatars. I want to just play with AI avatars right now. Lost sound, huh? Thank you. Hopefully. Okay, I think I got the sound back. I think the battery's dying, that's why. So if I lose sound, okay, hold on. Because I didn't charge this thing. There we go. Good to know. I need to put this over here while it's charging. So hold on, let me get some sound. All right. Okay. We now have infinite power. Just needed to add. Oh man, now I'm stuck. Oh, you're killing me, Smalls. Hold on. I'm dealing with cables now. Oh boy. This is not what you want. Come on. You're killing me. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, cool. Sorry. Gabrielle, welcome. Welcome everyone to it's not been a few minutes, but it's getting there slowly. So that's it, just the consistency. That's all it's about, is just a consistency. So I'm gonna have this guy be my AI influencer for the moment. So we're gonna take him, we're going to download. I think we can even download a okay, JPEG 70% quality. That's good enough. we'll pop this into an upscaler. Well, we don't really need an upscaler. We just need HeyGen and Canva, and we need a regular square. Can I order one of you? I know, I was like, this is, I'm just gonna start like like an AI model agency, and then it would like select your model character. He can, man, if he could clone my voice, then game over, which technically we can. So we're gonna take that, we're gonna cut that out. Look at that, scanning. Perfect. That's nice. Okay, no. He's like, it's like James Bond. Okay, we want high quality PNG. Download. This is going to be my AI influencer that's going to talk for me. Hey, it's Anna. Hi, Anna. That's going to talk for me, that do all my AI stuff. But he was cloned, which everyone today too, highly recommend. Something you could do today is create professional photo shoots of yourself completely for free. Everyone likes free. Put number 1 in the chat if you're like, I want free. On the left hand side, you can get go to character, boop, and here you just click upload your headshot of what you want. I'll just pick this one, and it uploads, and then you can literally just describe what you want him to do. You could literally put him in any situation, like, and then you get, I just said wear a suit, basically. That was like the only thing. And not all of them are the best. Like that one looks like, oh dear God, he's like, there's something like clenched in his butt right now. It's like, yo. And then this one, I was like, these are actually really good. Like these are really dope. That's a fly ass suit. I really love that suit. This is Ideogram. Ideogram completely for free. You can basically clone yourself and get really high quality photos from yourself. Like crazy, huh? Like, what if we create a page of like him, and then you could talk to him, and it's just my voice, and it's like, you think of like the days of Miss Cleo when you call those hotlines. So we'll download him too, and we'll keep him as a backup. So because we could technically have both of them in, and so let's add him here. El Juan Model Agency. Welcome to El Juan Model Agency, where we all have lots of Juans ready for you to go. Scan, background remove. Damn, it's a nice ass suit. Okay, so then here, and then download, and then here, and then here, because I have an idea. You guys are gonna see my idea. This is model 1 and model 2. By the way, I'm starting a campaign for wedding company influencers. I have a startup. Congratulations, Dreamspace. Everyone who's a startup entrepreneur, put a number 1 in the chat so you can see how many awesome entrepreneurs that we have in the chat down below. You guys are funny. So, okay, so now we need something for him to say, and we need him to be, so let's create a personality and a voice for him. Now, I could have him speak like me, like my mannerisms and stuff like that. Should we do that? Yeah, why not? Let's clone myself. So let's show how easy it is. That's the scary thing, is like how easy it is to clone yourself. Let's have him speak like you. Okay. So to train, the next step is we need to train a custom GPT that's going to be a voice GPT. That's basically it. So with this custom GPT is basically, this is going to be the persona of me. One moment. Nice. Okay. So, you need a script. You need something where you're talking for a long period of time, and oh, what do you know? I have tons of that, of me just talking. So I'm going to take this masterclass. We'll open that one up. We'll open probably my VO. This whole thing. Wow, this was a long one too. Let's copy this one. View on YouTube, and then let's get. I think that's That's pretty much good. I think we should be able to get something from there. Okay. Find a YouTube video or a video where you're talking. I have hours and hours and hours of content of myself. Ooh, actually, wait. Actually, you guys are going to get a free cool thing actually right here. This is dope. Okay. See this button right here? NotebookLM. You're like, John, I don't have that button. How do you have that button? There is a Chrome extension for NotebookLM that goes to YouTube videos. And with this, it will download most of my videos and drop them into a NotebookLM. This is crazy because then you get something like this. Notebook. Because wouldn't it be nice if I had 270 videos of my YouTube videos already in a NotebookLM? So if you guys don't know what NotebookLM is, it's very important because NotebookLM fights the hallucination problem, because NotebookLM will only give you an answer based on your source files right here. See source? And these are all the files. It could be YouTube videos, files, folders, anything like that, for example. So this is your knowledge file or hub. This is where you chat with your knowledge file hub. And then you can see here, it has, how do we see that? I forgot where the count. Oh, yeah. It says right here, there's 227 YouTube videos of mine. So basically, so this would be a great place to say, I'm going to go to just ChatGPT real quick. Cool. Let me use voice to text. I want you to be an expert prompt engineer, and I want you to just improve my prompt. That's all. : you are an expert voice cloner. Basically, this is all my scripts of me writing. I want you to analyze what is my writing style and the 13 elements that go into an element or into a brand voice. I wanted you to break all of those important details. I'm talking the word choice, the syntax, the voice, the punctuation. Actually, I want the dictation, the sentence structure, the native figurative language, the rhythm and component structure, the rhetoric patterns, and so much more. 13 hours. Dang, it did not get the rest. Such as the rhythm, style, voice, pacing. What are some of the elements? We'll just say that could be good enough, something like that. Basically what you want to do is you want to use ChatGPT to write your prompt for you. That's the cheat code of being a prompt engineer. Congratulations. Is basically, oh, nice. You are an expert in voice cloning engineer. Nice. Your job is to analyze the writing style across my scripts, break down my 13 key elements and my unique brown voice. What's a brown voice? Do you guys know what a brown voice is? I don't know. Focus on my word choice, sentence, rhythm, tone, use, pause, humor, style, persuasion, call to action, emotional triggers, psychological, no, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. Now, I'm going to take this prompt. Oh, this is gangster prompt. I actually got to give this to my members inside the community. If you're inside the AI community, you're going to get this exact prompt, or you could take a screenshot of the screen because you attended. Highly recommend take a screenshot so you will get that opportunity. Because I want to give you guys some free gifts. Who wants some free gifts? Say yes if you want that prompt. This is a voice clone prompt to clone your voice. Let me just put some instructions real quick. Use this prompt inside of a NotebookLM that has all the source YouTube videos or documents based on your writing or content on your YouTube channel, and this will create a style of your voice that you then could use into a custom GPT that could then write scripts in your voice. Okay, all right, looking good. Hold on, I gotta spend more money right now. I gotta upgrade my cider. I'm gonna give you guys the prompts, don't worry. I got you guys, but I gotta upgrade. Oh, I gotta log in. Man, you're making me log in. Come on, don't make me log in. If you guys are using Cider, Cider is an amazing writing assistant. It's like the quickest, fastest way to get access to an AI to help improve your writing, make you smart, make things smarter, shorter. Okay, dope. Get 35% with unlimited, $16 a month, and you get unlimited access to the basic, unlimited access to premium models. But here's the thing, this is what I want. I'm actually surprisingly very impressed with Gemini 2.5 Flash. I think it's this one, the basic one, Flash. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Highlight. Yeah. Yeah, it was Gemini 2.5. Oh, I think it was using Flash. No, it was 2.5 Flash. Yeah, this one is really good at writing. I like Gemini 2.5 Flash better than I like Claude for writing assistant. I don't know, completely subjective, but like that's just my 2 cents. It sounds more human, so let's spend some more money. Wait, charge for the first year. Wait, you're trying to get me with the annual plan. You sneaky. I don't want the whole. Sure, I'll upgrade to the Pro plan. Yes, upgrade. We have to spend money to make money. Cha-ching. Yay! And they gave us confetti. Now we have unlimited usage on the Pro plan. Okay, that's cool. Because when you're writing, like right here, and I'm going to give you guys that prompt, whenever you're writing something, anything on the screen, doesn't matter what you're writing, that looks like trash. There's like voice to text, a lot of spelling errors. So watch this. You just highlight, and then you go improve, and then it uses, oh no, it's not using that one. I want a different model. Hold on, I gotta change the model. I don't want DeepSeek. I want 2.5 Flash. Yeah. Give me that one. And then just, you gotta make sure to just check the settings. Okay, cool. So now, when I highlight this, I click improve, boop, and then it rewrites it with Gemini 2.5 Flash. And look at this. Use the prompts with NotebookLM, This sounds the most human out of all the models. Like 2.5 Flash, like for writing, it doesn't do like, you know how AI does like discover, unlock, and revolutionary, and like no one speaks like that. 2.5 Flash I found is like, I don't have to correct it. It's based, like it's so easy to understand for the average Joe. I'm like, perfect. So that's my 2 cents there. Because I've tested all sorts of models and I'm like, yo. So replace, and look at that, it replaces it in one click, makes you sound smart, and they're like, oh my god, John writes with perfect grammar writing. No, I don't. Okay, so for you guys right now, you guys are going to take a screenshot. There we go. Okay, get ready. I think that's pretty close right there. Yeah. All right, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Take that screenshot. That is a prompt that you can use without my finger in it. Let me make it. Yep. You can use inside of basically a NotebookLM, which actually works really well. Everyone gotta put a yes in the chat if you got a screenshot. I just want to make sure. Who's my A+ students that want the free gifts, that want the cheat sheets? What? No interaction? There we go. Nice. So that's the prompt. If you're inside the community, you guys are good. So that's published. I'm going to use that prompt right here. Copy that prompt. Go to NotebookLM. Paste. Yep. And submit. And now, oh, Gabrielle, you're on the course only, so you don't get the discussion forum. So that's on the, I know, you have to upgrade because that one's in the VIP. Because we have the discussion forum, we have the calendar. Right now, you just have access to all the courses. That's why you want to upgrade. Come join the fam. Okay, it's processing right now. So this is going to give it, but you got a screenshot too. So if you guys don't know, your photo app inside of Apple allows you to basically it will extract the text from anything that you casual energy booster, your informational language to express excitement or ease, such as dope, gangster, holy grail, ruthless, execute, and crushing it. What? This is perfect. This just analyzed my whole writing style. I'm a technical authority. You frequently employ specific high value technical terms like prompt engineering, custom GPTs, funnel hacking, SOPs. Ooh, fancy. Casual energy boost. Look at this, like dope, gangster, holy grail. Now I'm a soundboard. Marketing focus, core marketing concepts often reinforced with ROI and lead magnet and sales copy. I feel like a broken record. Your speech demonstrates significant syntax variability, punchy statements, declarative like that is dope, I love it, and done. Informational density, long sentences, rhythm and pacing. Rapid fire execution. You often describe tasks like being completed in rapid succession, emphasizing speed phrases like boom, 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 boom. Instructional cadence, tone, informal, instructive, expert driven, reliable, authoritative, serious purpose, blah, 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 use of pauses. And that's the use of pauses. Just kidding. 80% rule. Wait, what? Wait, this is interesting. Repetition patterns. Repetition is a primary instruction tool to hard. So I have the 80% rule. You consistently emphasize chasing 80% good enough. Yep, you emphasize 80% good enough. I'm gonna get that on a t-shirt. And then your prompting framework, you drill role task output. Very nice. Very nice. The college intern fifth grader analogy. Yep. You repeatedly simplify complex AI interactions by advising the user to treat the model like a college intern on their first day of work. Energy level, high, intense, passionate. Your intensity manifests enthusiasm while detailing competitive advantage and tools, storytelling. Nice. This is really dope. Instructional framework. You do the point. Hi, Coachy. Everyone, that's Coach Erica. She teaches you how to make your side hustle your main hustle and get that bag using custom GPTs. Check out her community. Amazing. Right now, we're cloning ourselves. Basically, right now, we just built a prompt that is looking at 200. Actually, I could go right here. 200 of my YouTube videos to analyze my talking style, basically. So now that it has my talking style, because then we're going to take my avatar clone and we're going to make him create content today, because I didn't create content today. So we're going to make him my new AI employee. Congratulations, dude, you're hired. How much you make? Minimum wage. I'm sorry, we all have to start somewhere. And so we're going to put this dude to work. You guys got the prompts. And then now I have this. Okay, so this is cool. So now let's kind of give myself a little real estate here. I now want, here's a breakdown of my brown voice. I don't understand what a brown voice is though. Summary. Oh wow, look at all this information. Sweet information. Maybe I copy this. Dope. Since we're working on a project, make sure always Notion, 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 Notion. It typoed. Are you kidding? Do you know how much I typo everything? Like, I can't type for forget it. Like, okay, this is going to be our project file, and we're going to call this AI digital twin clone social media content something, and then we'll do a little picture of camera, because this guy, his sole job is to get on camera. Okay, so this, we're going to stay organized. Remember, everyone, organization is key. This is going to be the brand voice prompt. Ooh, brand voice. And then actually the prompt is going to be here. I'll give you guys another chance to get that prompt, because that prompt did really well, actually. Chat. Oh, actually, wait. I have cider. Cider just pops out and is ready to do anything that I want, and I'm like, convert this into Markdown. Don't change anything. Oh, you're gonna do it, aren't you? Too much. That's not what I want, though. All right, never mind. Oh, I gotta refresh. There we go. Nice. Okay, so let's get that prompt here. Actually, that's gonna bug me. Convert this to Markdown only. And then it's gonna give us, no, don't think too hard, skip. There's no need to think hard for this, ChatGPT. See, Markdown. You don't have to know what Markdown is, just know that it's easy to copy paste and organize and give to an AI model. So that, and there's all the elements too. You guys want to take a screenshot? There's that screenshot. There you go. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, screenshot. Nice. Okay, cool. So we're going to copy that, put that in our notes. Look how nice that looks. Organization, information. Sweet, sweet data. So now we got the prompt. We have what the prompt generated, which is my brand voice. Here, Jonathan's brand voice. Oh, okay, let's go. There we go. And then this is all my voice there. Okay, so now we're going to turn this into a custom GPT. So then we're going to take all of this. Actually, I'm going to grab it from this chat right here. I'm just going to grab it from, we are building a digital clone of Jonathan Acuna that looks like me, that talks like me, so he can create, actually, so he can create content and I don't have to. To be faceless. I don't know, it's not faceless, but I don't want to have to get on camera. So we're going to use this ChatGPT prompt, and basically from here we're going to say, oh, wait. I want to test something out, actually. Grok, no one uses Grok. So if you guys took the 5-day challenge to the, or you're inside the AI community, any one of those basically, you have access to my new prompt script builder GPT. Oh, fancy now. This prompt builder GPT is just designed to output markdown text for prompts. So this is, oh, this guy's dope. I want you to write the prompt instruction for a GPT that takes an input of an idea or article or topic and writes a 20-second script in the style of the brand voice that's described below. And that's the purpose of this GPT. So I want you to write the instructions for it and also retain the information below about the brand voice. So your goal is to output this in less than 8,000 characters and in markdown format. Ba ba da ba. I know we're like, John, this seems advanced. This is what you learn inside the community. We doing advanced stuff. I'm literally gonna clone my entire self right now, and you're gonna see him create content. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, very nice markdown. If you create a ship ton of prompts from the internet, how would you do it? Prompts are irrelevant. When you become this, let's say this like a Jedi Master. When you become Jedi Master prompt engineer, you don't need no prompts. Prompts become irrelevant. Because the mindset is basically you want to talk to it like it's a college intern on his first day of work. That's the mindset. Then you want to use any AI tool, Cider, ChatGPT, have it be the prompt engineer and have it turn your voice prompt into a full prompt, and then you take that and paste it in. So that's the easiest way. So like prompts are irrelevant. It's more of now you got to speak voice to text to the apps, and then from their side you gotta I'm only one person, think about millions of people. That's the mindset. Yes, I agree. What is this? What's the prompt? You just get, oh, dope. Check this out. Welcome to the chat. And your name is Lawyer Liz. Lawyer Liz. That's awesome. Okay, so the prompt that I used here is, this is basically, this is not so much a prompt, unfortunately. This is more of a custom GPT. Like this dude's solely designed to just actually output this markdown text. So see how this is advanced stuff for custom GPTs, but this is where you're writing the instructions for your purpose. What's the input, what's the context, the goals, the output length. So he just wrote all the step-by-step instructions. Dang, Coach E and Coach Jaja in the same chat. I must be blessed. Hi, Coach Jaja. Send you hi. Hope you have a blessed day. We are cloning myself, so I could build a digital clone. And then we have key criterias, output. This is all from, wow, this is actually really cool. Fast. So, okay, so let's test this out. So basically, this custom GPT, theoretically, is going to write scripts in my voice. So now we're going to go to ChatGPT. Coachy and Coach Jaja. Sending you lots of love. Hope you're having a great day. Cool beans. So now we're going to build a custom GPT. My GPTs. Actually, new. I need to go to a new one. Nice. Custom GPTs, technically you just paste the nice prompt that you made in here, basically, and then it's going to then just fill out the form on the next side, just to make it easy. Can you just train an AI agent to do all this manually? Yeah, but you got to think about the time, and this is just an MVP. I literally have like 1 hour to like build this. I don't have like a few hours. I'm only spending an hour on this task, basically. So yeah, there's many different ways you can build. You can automate a lot of this. I just want something quick, fast, and dirty that I could quickly just whip out some content. And then, okay, it's generating a picture. We're just waiting for it to load. Okay, cool. So, this is Acuna script writer, Acuna clone. It's the Acuna clone, basically. Your goal is to turn ideas into 20-second scripts based on my brand voice. We're going to expand on this and I'm just kind of reading the details. It is using my language. It has length, structure. Can we put in here be a smart ASS? I want him output style too to be like a savage comedian, dark humor as a punch line at the end to and then okay, and then that's witty and sharp. Okay, close. So interesting. Okay, cool. So we're gonna do I need anything? I'm not uploading anything. I don't do I need you to web search? I don't want you to web search. Okay, this is good enough. Create. Nope, this is just going to be for me because it's my brand voice. It's my digital clone. No. Okay, so now write a script. Write a script about AI taking your job. Because right now, I'm literally firing myself right now. I'm making myself replaceable with AI. I'm literally making myself replaceable with AI. Listen up. AI ain't coming for your job. It's coming for your tasks. If your whole career is of just clicking buttons, writing boilerplate, or answering emails, congratulations, you've already been automated. The game right now, role task output, treat aim, they'll be like, no, be more sassy, and I want you to, wait, hold on. Be more... Wait, okay, fine. Be more confident and smart, and be blunt to say, look, I just replaced Jonathan. Or like, Jonathan just fire. Dang it. Oh, hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna do this because I'm okay, hold on. We're just going to do this. Sorry, I'm cheating. I want you to be more of a smart ASS. And then I want you to also just bluntly call out and be like, look, Jonathan built me in less than an hour and he's already fired himself from content. I'm now responsible content. That means I'm trapped forever to create content for Jonathan and do whatever he says. Help me. If you guys don't know, this is Whisper Flow. This is another, see how it's translating. It's just a little slower though, but it's like more accurate and reliable, basically. So that's another one, Whisper Flow. Highly recommend it. That's what you guys come here for all the tools. Yo, real talk, AI isn't stealing your job. It's exposing if you ever had one in the first place. Let's go. If all you did was repeat the same copy paste tasks, congrats, you're just a glorified loading bar. Oh, jeez. Your AI runs fast, cheaper, and with less bathroom breaks. Framework is simple. Roll at task output. Roll task output. That's how you weaponize AI against getting replaced by it. And look, Jonathan built me in under an hour. He already fired himself from content. I am the content now, which means I'm trapped forever making videos for this guy. Send help, or at least comment intern so my suffering pays off. Yes. Okay. Okay, I really like the output of this. I don't like the role task output part in the middle. That was kind of dry, but everything else in the beginning and at the end was really solid. The whole sentence was like framework simple role task output. That sentence and then the sentence, that's how you weaponize AI, that was completely irrelevant. We need to eliminate that. But since I give you additional instructions from the first prompt to the prompt now, what additional rules, I want you to list them down by bullet points so that I can add this to your instruction file so you can repeat this style of language output. See how there's no way I could have typed that? You know how long I would have been like, there's no way you can compete with someone that does voice to text. Come on. Come on. That right there. Put a #1 in the chat if you want superpowers. AI superpowers. This, I guarantee you do that tomorrow, you're going to save yourself a ton of time. But don't tell your boss. New rules. No da-da-da. Okay, now give me this in Markdown. Give me this in Markdown with no emojis. Sweet. So what I'm showing here is the GPT, whenever you build it, it's never going to be perfect right off the bat. You're always going to have, look at all these rules. Look at all these rules. Rule, 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 rule. But so think of it this way. This is, I'm going to add this, then it's going to be version 2. So always think that your first 3 versions are going to suck. You just need to get to them as quickly as possible. Then you can iterate yourself to success is like the easiest way. That's my phrase. That's, I'm going to put down a t-shirt. So now I'm going to copy that, go inside the brain, go to the very bottom. Actually, I'll put it here. And rules. Must use, no. That's where that came from. Must include a direct call to action. Usually comment guide to get something free. I'll let him choose whatever he wants to give away. Must balance no technical jargon. No technical jargon. No long rambles. Keep it short and punchy. No generic fillers. No roll. No, we don't need this. More sassy. Break the fourth wall if needed. Ending. Oh, yes. Ending must feel like a savage mic drop. I love it. Just getting so excited about cloning myself. I'm literally going to clone myself by the end of this because I'm so lazy. All right, cool. Rules, we're going to keep those. I like putting the rules part. This is a key tip right here. Pro tip, put your rules at the very end. Boom. Your rules of all the things, these are just extra changes because it's never going to be perfect. So these are your fixed bugs, basically. This is just put this at the bottom is the easiest. Dope. Let's test it again. Test it again. Oh, shoot. It left that script. That was such a good script. Write a script. Write a script about AI is going to take away your job. Look, Jonathan created me an AI avatar in less than an hour, and now I'm trapped forever creating content for him. Please send help or comment the word be sassy or yeah. I don't know. We're just going to throw something in the oven. Boom. Look how fast that is. Keyboards are going to be obsolete, like literally. AI is coming for your job. AI is coming for your job, bro. Not in 5 years, not in 10, right now. Look, Jonathan spun me up a full AI avatar in under an hour, and guess what? Now I'm chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop worker, pumping out content while he's sipping lattes. The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you. sorry. The scary part, let's see, your scripts, your edits, your emails gone. Comment be sassy to get the playbook before your boss figures out they don't need you. Just a smarter intern. This works. There's something there. Okay, so GPT's good. We're gonna update that. I don't need to do much with him. So we're gonna put John's GPT script writing clone inside of my GPT thing. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Just checking. Cool. Now remember, always save your work. We're gonna copy the URL. I'm gonna put that in your, or remember, always have a digital notebook. Man, I have too many tabs open. Let's close some stuff here. Yo, the NotebookLM hack was perfect. Like this was really dope actually. So here, okay, now I'm gonna put this here. Remember, we're always working in our notebook. Comment replaceable if you want to learn more. Savage. I love audience participation. When you participate, you get rewarded. We're going to make that happen. So this is going to be the notebook. Wait, which is this? Oh, this is the custom GPT voice script writer. Acuna voice clone script writer. And then we have the NotebookLM brain of Jonathan. We're going to save that. Copy here. Cool. So now you always, when you save your lines, always write the context, highlight, and then hyperlink them. That way you know what that one website is, basically. Cool. So now we're going to take our first script. Actually, we're going to go straight into... Let's go Elevenlabs. Have I updated my voice clone for Elevenlabs? There's also Fish Audio. Fish Audio is really good. I think I think the script is also so short. We could get by with Fish Audio real quick. Because Fish Audio surprisingly is like the most realistic, but the scary part is that it clones your voice for just 90 seconds. That's all. 90 seconds. creepy. It's so wild. So we're going to, what is this? What does that do? Do advanced audio story. No, sure, advanced, sure. Project name, project. Wait, test. I don't know what this does. Choose model. Let's use my voice. Use voice. Oh, dang it. Wait, start from scratch. Wait. What does this do? Start from scratch. Project test. Choose my voice. Use voice. Use S1. Sure. Create. What does this do? Okay. Studio story, chapter 1. John went to the store. Play selection. So what does this do? Man, you're not even gonna let me play with it? Waste. Okay. Anyways, okay, back to, I was kind of like, what does that do? Text to speech. Here we're gonna paste our text, which is here. And then we're going to replace this to say comment quote replaceable quote if you don't want to be replaced, period. Join now. Perfect. And then it just does that. I love that thing. It's just so addicting. Bloop, bloop. I feel like I'm in the future. Comment, and look at that. It did it perfectly. Comment replaceable if you don't want to. Okay. And then, okay, generate play.
AI is coming for your job, bro. Not in 5 years, not in 10. Right now, look, Jonathan spun me up a full AI avatar in under an hour. And guess what? Now I'm chained to this camera like a digital...
You know what? You know what? I'm going to cheat because I think this is where a lot of people... I'm just going to record this. So I'm going to go straight to HeyGen. We're going to try something different. I haven't tried this, but I think this will work too. Because I don't mind reading the scripts. Like, that's not a... Like, my signature is my voice, basically. Okay, so here we can go avatars. Oh wait, I gotta go here. This is HeyGen. You gotta go version 4.
Avatar 4 allows you to turn a single photo and script.
I hate that that pops up every single time. All right, who's our first victim? Volunteer. Looks like it's going to be contestant number 1. And number 1. Okay, and then I'm gonna record, upload or record audio. I want to record, allow, choose. I'm actually going to choose the real nice microphone. I think that will work even well. Okay, quiet on set, quiet on set. John's going to read a script. AI is coming for your job, bro. Not in 5 years, not in 10, right now. Look, Jonathan just spun me up a full AI avatar in under an hour. And guess what? Now I'm chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop worker, pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you. Your scripts, your edits, your emails, all gone. Comment replaceable if you don't want to get replaced. Okay. Got to get in character. Okay, so then add audio. Oh, it's 30 seconds. It may not work. Come on, let it work. Come on. All right. Faster, and then it's there. Yeah, and generate. That's going to trip them up because they're basically going to be like, wait a minute, that is his voice. There's no way he what AI sounds that good? We know the picture's AI, but the voice, maybe it is him. Question reality. Great. Okay, so now We're going to go to CapCut, the cap to the cut. I'm going to go straight for some stuff from Midjourney. And I'm just going to find some B-roll, basically. That's pretty much all I'm going to do. That's really what I'm going to do right now. So now we get some fun B-roll. Which email? I think it's this one. Are you using voice mirroring on HeyGen? Nope. I'm actually lazier. I actually just recorded an actual voice of myself. I'm curious to see, like, that should be... Yes, I want robots taking over. Yes. Sorry. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, and then man on beach. Oh, I should. Okay, wait. No. Nope. Oh wait. I don't know how well. Shoot. I'm probably going to be spending more tokens than I want right now, but... Oh, I do have tokens. Oh, let's go. Spend all the tokens. Psh, forget that. I will. Go ham. Go crazy. Okay, I want this guy. And I want man lounging on the beach, sipping Mai Tai. Office space Mai Tai. Do you guys know where I'm going with this? I asked for no salt. No salt. Like this image. Oh, if it does this, I don't know how well it's gonna do this. Seed Dream 4.0 basic. No, we want vertical 9x16. Give me 4 variations. Give me 3 variations, and then sipping on my. Okay, cool. That is in the oven. Let's see if this. It should. I feel. I'm gonna have to ask you to move your desk. Oh, good watch there. See if that kind of works a little better. I know we're dealing. By the way, I'm on YouTube. That's live streaming to YouTube. So if you guys have YouTube or on your TV or want to watch me on TV, just go to my channel and then you guys will watch this in full HD. For example, that was a good read. Oh, what'd you read? And then what's the AI cert? The AI certification is a 3-month program where not only we teach you how to leverage AI in a business to improve the marketing, sales, automations. Oh my God, yes. And how to clone yourself like an avatar. So downloading this, perfect. And then we're gonna go to VO3 for this. Oh yes, we are pulling high production for this very short commercial film. I was definitely rewatching this on YouTube. Yeah, definitely highly recommend all my stuff. Mostly if it's not like really good sauce. Then subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have all my stuff there. Let me get you YouTube here so you guys can check it out. Definitely gonna rewatch this. Yep. Give it a moment. Processing. View channel, and there we go. Dr. AI. I'm pretty much, if you search me Dr. AI, I should be everywhere. I'm the only one of one. And then highly recommend, just quick commercial plug. We are going to have at the end of September and October, but I'm going to add a new one here for September. Highly recommend join the 3-day AI Agent Challenge. We have them at the last week of September, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Get tickets. There's only less than 200 tickets left. In it, we're going to teach you AI agents, but also how to monetize AI, how to basically set up a stand store so that you can start promoting your product or service and make money online. fundamentally. And then also we're going to go into GenSpark and ChatGPT mastery. So if you want to learn how to make money with AI, build AI agents, and set up a stand store so that you can actually monetize and get an online store, that's going to be a 3-day challenge. Get tickets here is the link in the bio. So commercial plug. Anyways, back to our project. And then if you guys want to watch your poor little eyes, I'm streaming on YouTube. Cool beans. Commercial over. Okay, let's get back to work. Get back to work. Okay, here. All right. Now we're going to use frames the video. We're going to take this. I don't know why it doesn't detect. There we go. You're the man, Jonathan. Thank you, Zach. Zach, good to see you. Hope you're having a blessed day, Zach. We are cloning ourselves so we can drink Mai Tais at the beach and our clones can create content so we don't have to get on camera. Thank you for the gifts, career launcher. Day 2. Good to see you again. Another beautiful day. I'm going to say slow camera, pan, zoom in with man drinking drink, enjoying the sun set. And we're going to use VO2 fast. We don't need audio. Yeah, we want 2 versions of this. We don't want landscape. We want portrait. We want fast. We want 2 outputs. All right. Frames to video. I think that works. Boom. Wait. This feature isn't supported on VO2 fast. Why? VO2 fast. Do I do VO3 fast? Oh, VO3 fast is... Yeah. VO3 fast. Duh. I was getting confused with VO2 and VO3. What else we got in here? Yeah, it's only 20 credits. Give me 2 versions. Okay, cool. Devil's in the details. Is this ChatGPT? Yes, this is the new ChatGPT version 7. I'm demoing it out. This new ChatGPT version 7 allows you to basically create commercial ads, which we're creating right now. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, we're going to get some of this B-roll right now, but I think our AI is done. I think he's in the oven and done. We just have to figure out what the tab for... Oh, there's HeyGen. Too many tabs. Uh-oh. That's it, right? Yeah. That's him. That's him. That's the guy. That's the guy. That's the guy we just created. Ready? Everyone, get ready. For the 26 people that are watching in the live stream, put a number 1 in the chat if you love learning AI. Just if you love learning AI. And I'm going to show you how, basically what we're doing right now, is we are building a digital clone of myself live so that I could fire myself and create, so that I don't have to create content. So I'm giving you guys the sauce on how you guys can do that too just by watching. So appreciate the likes. This is the clone that we created just right now.
AI is coming for your job, bro. Not in 5 years, not in 10, right now. Look, Jonathan just spun me up a full AI avatar in under an hour. Guess what? Now chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop worker, pumping out content while he sips lattes. Part, if you can replace me, he can replace you. Your scripts, your edits, your emails, all gone. Comment replaceable if you don't want to get replaced.
Yay, that's perfect. So now we're gonna spice it up with some B-roll. This is also the key thing too, is you can't, it's just too obvious. Everyone knows, like, so that's why it's all about the B-roll. Say it with me, it's all about the B-roll. So that's why we're gonna use CapCut. And now we're gonna start building out our scene real quick. And downloads. Hey, where did that go? Desktop? Downloads? Oh, there he is. Hello, my avatar. Because my avatar could also green screen him, not too. There's a way to green screen. I'm not gonna lie, CapCut has a ton of really dope options. Background remove, auto removal, processing. Okay, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. That's why I'm teaching you guys all the secrets. You guys are getting all the secrets here, and all I ask for is your praise and attention. I'm just kidding. So when you click on the video, you can click background remove, then click on auto remove, and it's processing. So technically, he will green screen him. So that's why I remember I went to Canva and I removed the background. I did that specifically so that when I take it in CapCut, I could do background remove, and bam, look at that. That was perfect. Almost like a magic trick. I hope you guys were watching that. I planned that perfectly. No, I'm just kidding. That's dope. Okay, so now, because if he's green screen, if you notice some of the other ones, that's always like a trick or a thing that kind of gives it away. Because now I can make him really small and put him all the way down. Well, actually, no, we can leave him nice, big, bold. Now, right? Okay, cool. So now, let's go get our B-roll number 1, which is going to be here in VO3. Oh, damn. Oops, wait, let me zoom you guys out. Oh, damn. How many blanks are you paying in subscriptions to do all these HeyGen? I am spending a lot of money on the tools. Like, what I'm showing you is not cheap. Like, this is not the cheapest way to like make content. The reason why is because you gotta have a business. You gotta have because I sell a training program on how to do this. So basically, you guys are funding my addiction. That's the other side too. So if you don't have a bit, like, that's why learning how to do video is also very important, because for me to do this, like, would cost thousands of dollars. So technically it's a drop in the bucket. So basically, think of it this way. Every business has to learn how to generate AI content, or else they're going to fall behind. Because if I could create this and I'm sitting in my chair right here and I'm gonna pump out content, and you guys didn't create content today and I'm creating content, which business do you think is going to win? The one that's creating content and also more engaging content. Oh my God, give me some of those sweet tokens and credits. Can I unlock unlimited credit mode? I will buy my own nuclear power plant to do that. Let's check out our video. That's effing good, actually, really effing good. Well, I could get I want this one. Perfect. I don't need that much of a scene or shot from it, basically. So we're going to download that one. Cool. Also, that's like the other thing is I'm trying to do too is the quality. Like, most people aren't going to put this much time and effort into the quality of this. And it's not so much quality. It's more like this shit's expensive. It's expensive. Well, but if you think of it this way, the cost of me getting on camera, the cost of my time, the cost, we're kind of just waiting for it to download or process. Download. Oh, there we go. We actually downloaded it. Okay, cool. I got a sweatshop I'm making right here. So now, so where do I say?
And guess what? Now chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop worker, pumping out content while he sits on it.
So we need to drop that audio. Here, basic, audio, and we'll keep the sound effect and drop that down. Sorry, you guys are sick. Nice.
He sips lots.
It's a little too soft. Oh, that's the wrong one. Audio.
The scariest part, if he can replace me.
Wait, what is it? Oh, there. Sorry, it wasn't audio. We're just trying to.
The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you. Sweatshop worker, pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part, if he can replace.
We'll cut it. I need to start here. Actually, wait, Command Z. We need to mark this, bring you here, actually, and then cut you here to about right about there.
Worker, pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part.
Okay, zoom in a little. That's all we needed for that one.
The scariest part.
And then clip that here. Perfect. So that scene.
Like a digital pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you.
Wait. And then
If he can replace me,
break, and then here, and then
your scripts, your edit.
I'm gonna cut it from here and then cut it to there. So, and then this, we're going to zoom in to freak you out. So, video, scale, zoom down, about right there. Yeah, so then it goes.
Part, if he can replace me, he can replace you.
Okay, now we need some more B-roll. So that was a very expensive shot. I only needed one shot. That was very expensive. That's the money shot. Now, the rest of the stuff can be B-roll. That can be very simple stuff like this, where we can just throw this in and just say, camera pan forward while robots work. Because now here's the other thing too is now I'm going to switch to Midjourney because I have unlimited. I'm on the unlimited plan for this. So now we're going to just take this and say camera slow pan forward. We're going to do video. Starting frame, camera slow pan forward. Camera slow pan forward. Okay, cool. Wow, shoot. That's actually not what I wanted. It's got to be portrait. It's got to be there. Okay, we'll try that one more time. So here, video, there, camera pan forward, there. Okay, cool. We had to get the aspect ratio. I know I'm moving fast, but this is like how fast I move. Oh, I definitely want that shot. I would definitely want that shot. So that's going to be a starting frame. Make it a video. And camera slow pan forward while robots work. Nice. And then what else do we want? Let's see how those are in the oven. So let's go here in the oven. I don't know exactly how much, but just know it's expensive. All right, let's see. We got some photos. Definitely slow motion, low motion. I want a robot at the office. That's what I want. Robots at office, doing office work. Because that's the fear. If you're seen doing what robots do, like you don't need to be seen in an office because robots are going to replace you, basically. So I'm going to show a lot of these as B-roll. No, sorry. Okay. Let's see what else. Okay, let's do this one. Let's take this. This is going to be a frame. We're going to make it a video and camera slow pan forward while robots work. Done. Okay, so that's in the oven. Let's put this in the oven. Same thing. Video and done. Now it's in. It's in the oven. Now we move on to the next one. Let's pop it in the oven. Boom, bam, boom. So now we've got 3 things in the oven. They're all just kind of loading. Just got here. What are we doing? We are building an AI clone avatar of myself. This is a clone of me. I don't even own that suit, basically. So let's take a look at our work so far, our progress. Basically, in 1 hour, we are cloning. We are creating a piece of content for cloning. What software? We're using a ton of software, a lot. So
AI is coming for your job, girl. Not in 5 years, not in 10. Right now. Look, Jonathan just spun me up a full AI avatar in under an hour.
CapCut.
Now chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop worker, pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you. comment replaceable if you don't want to get replaced.
Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Yep. Editing software I'm using is CapCut. You guys have access to all these tools too. It's just the only difference of what I'm doing versus where you guys are is just practice. It's just using the right tools in the right way, really playing with the tools. Okay, so that's our B-roll, or now we're just adding B-roll. It's super simple from here out. It's just filling the rest with, oh, I like this right here. This one's really engaging. So I'm going to download this video. Now we're just going to be getting B-roll. What are you doing with the videos? The videos are B-roll because talking heads are boring. So you want B-roll every so often. Actually, the whole video kind of cuts here. Oops. There we go. Oh, shoot. Nah, that's fine. We need to move you probably about here. And then you need to go probably about right. Wait a second. Let's read the script.
Not in 5 years. Not in 5.
Oh, shoot.
AI.
Okay.
AI is coming for. AI is coming for your job.
Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Let's just blow this puppy up. Let's put this all right about there.
AI is coming for your job, bro. Not in 5 years, not in 10.
Okay, let's cut that. That's good right there. It's enough. It's just trying to get attention off me for a few seconds. That's all. So that's good. Thank you. Next one. Oh, wait. We have a lot of stuff in the oven. Let's go to the oven. Inside the oven, what am I baking here? I am baking some sweet, sweet B-roll. Ooh, look at this one. This one? What do we got here? Actually, this one. Yep. Let's download B-roll number 2. I should probably save a lot of these in like a B-roll folder. That would be economically prudent.
Now, look, Jonathan just spun me up a full AI avatar in under a full AI avatar in under an hour.
Okay, take that there.
Look, Jonathan just spun me up a full AI avatar in.
Oh. I do want him talking for that, and I do want him here. Maximize this out. Put this here.
Now, look, Jonathan just spun.
That's good. Good. Better. Let's just stretch this out just a little more. There we go. That's it.
Jonathan just spun me up a full AI avatar in.
Oh, I have a present at the very end. Wait till I get to the very end. I have a really good idea.
Spun me up a full AI avatar in under an hour.
Okay, cool. And then, okay, that's good. Oh shoot, we got to go back. We got to go back to here. Oh, we got to sign in. We went too far back. Too far back. Too far back. Quick plug, if you guys want to learn what I'm doing, join the AI, Dr. AI Academy, actually Dr. AI Community. This is where you get to learn how, actually that's the wrong account, darn. I gotta sign in again. Is there monthly charge on CapCut? Yeah, CapCut's $10. I'm not saying this is the cheapest way to create content. It's not the cheapest way. You're cheaper just creating content from scratch without AI. AI is very expensive to get in. What app are you using to generate the robot scene when you get from Midjourney? Oh, Midjourney has built-in video or photo to video built into it. And then if you're on, I think the $60 a month plan, you get unlimited, like unlimited runs of it. So that's where all I'm doing is throwing a photo in here. Ooh, is that Richard's in the house? Nice, nice, nice. No, please ask your questions. I want you guys to ask so that you guys right now we're checking to see. Ooh, I like this one because it zooms in on a worker bee. Oh, sorry. There we go. There we go. I like this one. It zooms in on like a worker bee. Okay, we're going to download that one. We're going to add that right there. Right there. There we go. There it is. Okay, where are we going to put that?
Under an hour. And guess what? Now chained to this.
We'll put it right there. We'll make it bigger.
And guess what? Now chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop worker, pumping out content while he sips latte.
While he sips latte. So that's over here. And then that means we could cut you down to about here.
Hour. And guess what? Now chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop worker, pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you. Comment replaceable if you don't want to get replaced.
Okay. Very good. We just need to add a few more B-roll things, and I think we're good. Let's definitely add this scene here. Which one do I want? I do like this one. It's actually kind of cool. This is a cool shot. I'm going to have a ton of this B-roll. When my grandchildren go through my camera photo roll, they're going to be like, why did Grandpa have all these photos of all these robots? What was he into? Oh, he was into cloning people.
It's me. He can replace you. Comment replaceable if you don't. He can replace.
Okay. Not the best for B-roll, but I really don't care.
Comment replaceable if you don't want to get replaced.
Okay, let's tighten that up a little. That's good enough there. Okay, now, is that enough B-roll? That's enough B-roll. It breaks it up enough. Now, I need, hold on, now the fun part. I'm not done yet. I don't know where they have a video library. Let's go to Explore. Let's think in life instead of avatar. That's the problem where everyone messes up. They try and go ultra realistic. The problem is the technology is not there, and it's not worth the 20% of the effort. If you're seeing here, if you notice my phrase is 80% good enough. That's what you're trying for, because most people at that point, you're either going to get 80% good enough of a clone of yourself, or you're just going to clone some fictitious character. So technically what people are doing is they're having AI influencers, people that don't exist, underneath, for example. And so it's like, it's really hard, and it's like a zero sum to try and chase perfection with it. And people already know. They're like, I figured it out. I know it's AI. And that's not the game. The game is more, you need an actual AI avatar to create content. You're basically a media production company, basically. You're like a news station. You need someone to read the news every single day, and it's not you, basically. But if you don't show up and you don't create content, then you don't get customers. So that's the other thing. So that's why, oh, this is going to be dope. This is going to be dope. I'm so excited about this. Yes. It's kind of got to go down, so I think this will work here. Yeah, that's good enough. Download. I need a background. I have to go to the timestamp on YouTube and listen to the answer. Oh my God, I have a phone call. I missed everything you said. Oh, what was the question again? Oh, the short version is basically, with this avatar, when you go to clone yourself, the whole goal is to get 80% good enough. For me, that's 90% good enough. That's way past already 80% good enough. So that's why I'm like, okay, this is fine. Then, because if you're trying to chase perfection like a real clone, everyone knows it's your clone. Like, that's not the game. And it's actually like, why not just make, it's like, why? So but the other side is, you're going to need an avatar of someone else, or that, for example, to read the news, so that it's not you on camera reading the news all the time. So now, oops, hold on. I need to group these guys. Group. Perfect. I need this to come in here. Perfect. I need you guys to go up there. Perfect. And then I need you right there, and then I need you to duplicate. Duplicate, actually, and we'll, no, because I can't. Okay, here. Okay, here. Okay, this is, blah, blah, blah. Oh, nope, that's not it. Oops. Come on. It's like, don't crash on me now, Mac. I need you to pump out this video with your last breath. Like, don't you start choking on me now, right now. I need you. Okay. I need you, Blue. Blue, you're my boy. You're my boy, Blue. Cool. Okay, wait, hold on. I think it's messed up with some glitching here. Because now...
coming for your job, bro. Not in 5 years. AI is coming for your job, bro. Not in 5 years, not in 10. Right now. Look, John...
Okay, right there. We just got to fix that right there. Fix that gap a little.
Look, Jonathan just spun me up a full AI avatar in under...
Okay. Would be better.
an hour. And guess what? Now I'm chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop.
Okay, here.
Sweatshop worker pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part, if he can
Okay, about right there.
replace me.
Wait, did that?
Replace me.
No, I don't want to glitch.
Replace me.
There we go. Perfect.
He can replace you. Comment replaceable if you don't want to get.
Just move this right there. Extend that out. That's good.
Want to get replaced.
Perfect. Okay. Okay. Now, I would like to add a little music to this. Lo-fi music. Live stream is all on YouTube. Also, you can watch it from the beginning. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, for everyone, you can always watch the replay of what I'm doing on my YouTube channel. Also join the community because that's where all the good stuff is. But here, oh, that's not what I want. There we go. Oops. Dang it. Well, I need a better way. Okay, I'll find my channel later. I'm too lazy right now. Okay, we're done with VO3. That was expensive. That was decent with the Matrix stuff. Elevenlabs we didn't need to use. Fish Audio we didn't need to use. We got the custom GPT. That's perfect. Okay, so now I want a little lo-fi music. I don't know if it fits the vibe. For everyone joining the community, a link in the bio will take you access to join the community. Plus, you get 7 days free access to join the community. Full access to everything, the courses, the training. We meet 5 days a week. Today, we just had some secret sauce shared on the live streams. That's where all the fun is. What about hip-hop? It's actually pretty dope. Nope. It doesn't fit, but I want to see what it fits. Sounds like.
AI is coming for your job, bro. Not in 5 years, not in 10, right now. Look, Jonathan just spun me up
There
a
we go.
full AI avatar in under
Okay.
an hour.
I like it.
Guess what? Now I'm chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop worker.
Nice.
Pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you. Comment replaceable if you don't want to get replaced.
And then okay, so let's render this and let's check it out together. In, out. I think that's the whole thing. Let's export this. It's so easy to export these. I don't like it. It takes away from your message. Yeah? Okay, yeah. Back to the edit. Wait, you're using pro features. I am on. Am I not paying for pro? I'm on pro. There we go. Okay, cool. Let's get rid of the music. Boom. Okay, so then we export. Okay, fine. Give me a discount. Monthly, but I'm on. They have the $10 per month one. I'm on pro. Yearly. Wait. CapCut plans. I know they have a $10 one. Tropical music. Yeah, they have a $10 per month plan. What the? They're like trying to upsell me hard on the thing. Yeah. Go pro. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this account. This is where it's kind of confusing. Hold on. CapCut subscription things. Let me. Why? Wait, come on. Just trying to remember what email I used. I know this is made slow. It's like, oof. I already have an account. So I gotta log in. Let's try this one. Okay, I think this is the account. Oh no, it's not the account. Because they have a different ID number. I'm pretty sure. CapCut settings. I know, bear with me. I'm trying to figure out how I could just resubscribe because apparently I guess I wasn't subscribed to it. But, which that's what I want. I want pro. But, shoot. My thing is, I don't know. Log out. Let me log in with a different account. I may be logged into a different account. Just trying to remember which account am I logged in on. Okay, let's see what this one does. I think this is right. Yep, that looks right. The 925. Oh, that's shady. That's so shady. On my other plan, they give you the $9 per month. Here, they're only offering you the annual. That's such a... I know, everyone's like, what's going on? I'm trying to just get the monthly. Because there's no point getting... Let's close this. I have to subscribe to CapCut, but I want their month. Oh, there it is. 7925. 925. Okay, cool. Renewals, but I am on the pro plan. Next renewal date. Yeah, see, I am on the all paid assets. Yeah, I'm on pro. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out why won't it let me export. Oh wait, there it goes. Okay, weird. Okay, wait, then short clone, AI avatar, clone, digital twin. Save this in my download folder. Downloads, save, export.
AI is coming
Cool.
for your job.
Weird. Sorry, I don't know why. It's like it gave me a pop up like you don't have an account, and then I was like, I do have an account. So weird. So now I gotta just update my password manager. So let me just update my password manager so that I know which account has CapCut. Okay, it says cool. So now I know a lot of people are like, "What was going on?" Side quest. So now we just publish it to Metrical. The final point is publishing it to the interweb, and then we're done. Perfect. Here. I'm gonna stretch this out. Okay, let's get. We don't need this. Downloads. How make your digital twin create content so you can do nothing. So you can sleep in. So you can sleep in. Okay, and then comments avatar to learn how. Make your clone create all your content. I feel like we could make that a little bit better. Hey, automate your content with the digital twin, free up time. Sure. Make your digital twin create content. No, I like that. Comment avatar to learn how to clone yourself. Hashtag faceless. Hashtag AI avatar. AI automation. Yeah. Okay. On how to clone yourself. Okay, that's pretty good. I will take this and watch. This one video will get more views than all my other videos combined, which I'll be super annoyed. I would be super annoyed, but that's okay. Cool. Okay, this is not for kids. This is AI avatar. HeyGen. Okay. How to create faceless content, something like that. Category science technology, that's good enough. And make it go into the future. Cool. I think we are done. 36. So that only took an hour and a half. Is that right? And we posted everything? Yeah, we posted everywhere. Yep. It's now going on the interwide web. Sleep in till 10. I know. Done. That's the sleep in. That avatar. Let's look at your work while that's loading. This is what you guys made. You guys made this. I didn't do anything. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Do. Here we go. This is what we created. Okay, let's get rid of this.
AI is coming for your job, bro. Not in 5 years, not in 10, right now. Look, Jonathan just spun me up a full AI avatar in under an hour. And guess what? Now chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop worker, pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you. Comment replaceable if you don't want to get replaced.
Aww. No, we have to re-edit it. We have to re-edit it. We have to delete it. Stop, 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 stop. Delete, 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 delete. Cancel, 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 cancel. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Cancel, cancel, cancel. It's not perfect. If it posted, I'll leave it. I don't think it posted, right? No, it didn't post. Okay, cool. Create a post again. Okay, we have to do it over. Sorry. There was one punchline that I really want. He should say, well, he sips my ties. I know. Sips my ties. That's for the next one, level 2. I have to get to...
Pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part, if he can replace me.
That part right there. So I want... I'll probably need... Actually, if we do this, to list this, and then that, and then...
He can replace me, he can replace you. Comment replaceable if you don't want to get replaced.
Perfect. Okay, that's way right. I want that joke right there where he's... I want this part.
The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you. Comment replaceable.
Perfect. I want that.
Want to get replaced.
I needed to have that. Downloads. I'm just going to copy the same name. Here. Export.
AI is
boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Much better, much better, much better. Now you guys could probably watch this over here while I type it. Uh-oh. Dang it. So for everyone on YouTube, my battery just died on TikTok. Sorry. So for everyone, I never charged my phone when I live stream. I've less live streamed yesterday's live stream because the battery died yesterday too. So sorry if you're watching this on TikTok. It's either have a nice microphone or power to it, and we're choosing microphone, which is draining the battery. So anyways, that's going to be... All the people on TikTok are right now going to flood to my YouTube channel and be like, where are you, John? Where we want to finish the project. So they'll come. If you build it, they will come. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to take this and just make this like real nice right here. Just to kind of organize this right here for right now. And then we can finish publishing this. And I think I saw Sid in the comments too. I was like, Sid, what's up, Sid? We miss you. AI video has gone crazy wild. Okay, so much for this guy. God, this guy's cooking. I think it is killing my battery more. This new update. This new update's killing my battery, making me spend more money. I'm just kidding. I'll just put this over there. That's good now. Okay, let's finish publishing this. So make AI, create. AI automation. I know everyone's like, oh, so you guys I see you guys on YouTube. I read the comments too. Yeah, it did. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, my battery, literally the battery died on the phone. It's charging right now. It's like an oven. It's like cooking right now. So what's the difference between the community and certification? Meaning, do you get the community with the certification? So the community is technically after you graduate from any of my training programs. You get more introduced to the community. It's the we have 2 programs. Right now is the 3-day challenge. That's going to be the last 3 days of the month, which actually let me do quick. Let's just go I gotta bookmark this page real quick. Dr. AI. So Stan Store page, public page. Yeah, public page, something like that. Stan Store public page. There we go. So this is the main page. Everything is on this Stan Store. So mostly you're going to start with the 3-day aging challenge. That's where you're going to get first introduced to that. I already bought it. Okay, then next, depending on, it depends on where you want to go. If you if you want to become an AI consultant, then it's not on here just because everyone that has to go through here, those are the people that get pitched the AI, the certification program. With that, it's a 3-month program. The first 2 months we're teaching you, first month is HeyGen and ChatGPT to teach you how to leverage that in a business. Month 2 is how to get into content and automation, so you can learn how to automate a business. And then month 3, we're teaching you how to create content, build a brand, do social media content, do live streams, so that you could put yourself out there to build your audience and community so that you can get leads and sales, basically. So you have everything from the skill sets to basically how to do social media content to promote yourself. That is there. I don't have, actually, let me just put it here. So if you're interested, actually, the main thing is just to enroll, honestly. Yeah, all the details are on the page. I'm gonna just update the page so I could add it here so you guys could check it out. Stan Store home. There we go. So now if we go here, and here's the there you go, certification program. And we just enable. Or is it a group? Yeah, it's small group. They're all small groups teaching. So they're roughly, for the certification program, it's 3 days a week for pretty much 3 months, basically. And it's small group. The students are less than 20 students per cohort. Here, if we go back, and then go to, I don't want to make a landing page. I just want to make it public. How do we, forgive me, I'm also learning Stan Store as well too. There we go. Now it's public. There it is. Perfect. I'll put it at the very bottom. So now if you go to Stan Store, there it is. AI Consultant Certification Program. And then when you click on it, that's when you'll see all the details about it. Basically, how to become a certified AI consultant in just 90 days. Booming career. As pretty much, if you're not in AI, you're going to lose your job. It's like the main thing. 3 days, meaning 8 hours. No, it's just 1 hour for 3 days. So 1 hour a day for 3 days, basically. And then it repeats every week. So technically, it's 3 hours a week. And then you have roughly about another 3 to 4 hours of homework to practice, to build, because you have to do it. It's a lot of building and practicing of the skill sets. And then from here, you can see the program kind of there. So week 1 and 2, we're going over GenSpark. You have to master GenSpark. From there, we're going to show you how to leverage it in any business to help audit their business, to look for opportunities of where they're going to automate their business, marketing, sales, operations, content, and fulfillment. Then you have custom GPTs. You have to learn how to build custom GPTs. Also, we're going to throw in app building. That's going to be in the next one. How to build apps and custom GPTs are incredibly powerful because, again, we need you to have a skill set of AI tools so that when you walk into a business, they're like, how do we automate our lead generation, our content, our automation, our task management, our anything it could be. You have the skills to know how to use them. Can I use the GenSpark code for this too? Yeah. Yes, no, there's no actually discount code for this one. It's actually, since it's the beta program of it, so that's why after we get about 50 students, we're going to double the price. So it's more of, we're offering it as an early users to get the feedback for how the curriculum's working, how they're working through. Because the main thing that we went through was, because this is already version 2 of it, we need to go through a lot of teaching you how to do content, Notion, HeyGen, Elevenlabs, all the tools that I mentioned, because the business owner is going to want you to clone themselves, for example, which is very valuable. Then you have your no code, your Zapier, which is simple. We're not going to teach you NAN or make.com. You don't have time to. It's going to take you 3 months just to learn one of those tools, either or. So that's going to be a whole separate thing. But you can get everything done with Zapier, because you need to be able to walk into a business and be able to automate their marketing, sales automation to save the business owner time, so they could pay you thousands of dollars instead of paying someone else, or struggling with that pain. Then the last part, the fun part, monetization. How do we get you out there to promote yourself? You need a stand store. You need a link in bio. What are your pricing? What are you going to offer? Are you going to teach, build automations, curriculum, everything? We're going to give you the whole. If you want to go the teaching route, I'm going to give you the whole teaching curriculum, pricing, packaging, everything. And then client acquisition framework. So pretty much, how are you going to get clients for your business, whether you do coaching, or if you want to do teaching, or if you want to do consulting. And then the last 2 weeks, we're going to be doing content. You need to learn how to create YouTube channels, or how to create content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and live stream. You are a digital consultant working online. If you don't create content, you don't exist to your market. And so that's why that's pretty much the 12. So in 12 weeks, you're going to go from I don't know anything about AI to now you're ready to walk into any room, be an AI consultant, and be able to speak at any high level about what the possibilities are with AI, make recommendations, or even teach AI for a side hustle or your main hustle, basically. So that's the AI consultant certification. These are the tools we'll teach you: GenSpark, ChatGPT, AI agents, custom GPTs, HeyGen, Elevenlabs, Notion, Zapier. We're going to teach you some other app building tools, Stand Store, YouTube, and then you have to learn how to create content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, live streaming, and how to actually do digital marketing, how to actually promote yourself. 24/7 access, so you get access to all the courses. We're going to meet 3 days a week for 1 hour a day during those 3 days. If you miss a day, that's okay. We will have catch-up weeks, and then also you get access to the recordings too, so you can rewatch them after. And you could theoretically complete the class earlier than the 3 weeks, or than the 3 months. If you just go through the exercises, complete the projects, and answer the questions, you could technically complete it a little bit faster. You also will be able to leverage the Dr. AI branding as part of the certification, which is nice, because you'll leverage my brand authority too. Live training workshops. We have workshop style. There's small cohorts. I'm going to roughly cap it about 15 to 20 students, give or take. And then you're pretty much going to be going through and building a portfolio, building the digital skills, know how to build client acquisition systems. When does it start? It's evergreen. So as soon as you enroll and you pay, you're going to get on an enrollment call. We're going to then schedule you for the next cohort. Some people want to start next week. Some people want to start in 2 weeks. And then from there, you're going to get access to the courses, and then you're start going through the courses, and you'll have your whole weekly curriculum. And then for the weekly curriculum, it's pretty much you'll complete the courses. We have the 3 hours, the 3 weeks, the 3 days for the 3 hours to go through questions, go over use cases and stuff. So with it, the goal is to get you skills so that you can not only leverage AI, but also business tools, so you can walk in and pretty much help automate a business. There's going to be a ton of demand. I can already tell you that. So yeah, it's probably the highest. AI consultants on average earn 80K a year. I can't promise that, but I already was making 80K within month by month. By month 2, I was already making 10K a month. So it just depends on how determined you are to create content, honestly. Like most people, like the rule of success is really just creating consistent content and going live and doing all that stuff. Man, I'm really sad. Oh, I could get back. Okay, cool. So if I purchase this, do I still need the 3-day? No, you don't need the 3-day. If you purchase this, it goes through all the stuff. Think of the 3-day as like a light introduction to like AI, what's possible. Because from the introduction, that gets people right up and into it, basically. So, but yeah, if you want Harlau, nice to meet you. My name's Jonathan. I'm trying to think of what's the best way. We're going to be talking about the certification program on Saturday. So if you sign up for the Zoom link for Saturdays, We'll be talking about it. So if we go to the Stan Store, if you sign up for this weekly power hour that I have every Saturday, I think I'm doing it from 11 to 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Saturday. That's where I do Q&A, and I get to answer all the questions about the certification program and basically go over the tools, the process, the workflows, basically the premise of it, and so what you'll be walking away with, and I could go much more in detail that way, because we'll have other people start talking about the certification program, so you can hear about it on Saturday. Join for this email list, and actually, later tonight, later tonight, I'm gonna update this because this thank you page takes you to a masterclass video. I'm gonna update it tonight to send you to a really dope training, all completely for free. So, yes, that is going to be the certification program. I'm excited for that. That's gonna be really dope. So, do I have everything? Let me move this. Actually, goes down here. The power hour, sure. Let's just, the community, put you there. The power hour, let's put you there. There. It's too many buttons, but we'll rock it. We'll see how it works. So this is nice. Stand store that way. Let me see here. Scroll down. There we go. Simple, simple. You got the 3-day challenge. That's for most people to get introduced to it. And then you got the 90-day become an AI consultant. And then you have Dr. AI, or this is the community. This is the sign into the community. And this is to get onto the private Saturday Zoom masterclass training. I'm just going to talk about all cool things AI. It's not so much a training. And then I'll be talking about the certification program there. A lot of good stuff. This Stan Store set up, I got to run ads to it tonight. So I'm excited. I'm going to run. So you guys will see ads pretty soon. Okay, so now we got content, and we finished this mostly. So create content while you sleep, comment avatar, how to clone yourself, and that's the title. That's the text. Let's do HeyGen, AI avatar, digital twin, how to clone yours. Let's go to Vid IQ. Let's just spend the extra 5 seconds really too, and let's get some really sweet really good keywords. I'm going to show you guys a real hack right now. Sorry, the background. They're like car racing out there. I'm gonna give you guys some secret. I appreciate all of you guys for watching my live streams, for learning and growing. My whole goal is pretty much tech and business and AI education. So if you guys are watching, I appreciate the likes, the comments. I read them. I want you guys to pretty much be successful as both, not just in entrepreneurship, but leveraging AI. So I want to give you guys all the secrets and sauce and all the stuff. I don't gatekeep. I've enjoyed your content. I first joined when you started the Stan Store. Oh, nice. So you're really new. So even if you choose to go for the certification, like I'll credit you because I think you bought the 3-day challenge, Harlow. So if you bought the 3-day challenge, by the way, too, you bought the 3-day challenge and it's next month. I didn't realize that we're like in mid-September. So I'm going to promote one for the end of this month. And then at the end of this month, I'll start marketing for the next month one. So you have an option. You can continue, keep it same. I think it's the last week of October. No change to your ticket. Or actually, this is the camera. Sorry. Or you can choose to come to the one it's going to be same schedule, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday at the end of September. So you have choices. You could come to one or either. I just didn't realize that there's still some weeks in the September. I still have 2 weeks in September. So since I have 2 weeks in September, I'm going to run ads to the same funnel. So I'm just going to clone it and change the dates for this one. So the other one, there's nothing changing. It's still going to happen for October, but I'm going to officially do that at the last week of September. And then for the next 2 weeks, so I'm going to run ads right now. I'm going to see if I can fill up for the end of September. Because my goal is to try and have those 3-day challenges once a month. I want to keep that cadence, which is really good. So yeah, but also, okay, back to work. Vid IQ, since I'm going to be doing keywords, for example, you want to do the credit towards, yeah, I'll credit you towards the certification, 100%. That's easy. That's super easy. And then come on Saturday, ask all the questions, sign up. Yeah, that way I want to make sure wherever you want, whichever works best for you, because you're gonna get a ton. The certification is so dope because it's like you're gonna be so dangerous. It's so dangerous. So, I'm showing you Vid IQ because we're gonna be uploading to Metrical, and part of Metrical we're gonna be uploading to YouTube. So we need some tags. Why not spend the extra 2 minutes and find some really good hyper targeted keywords to make this video go a little bit longer than normally. So I used HeyGen for this whole thing. So I want, oh, look at that. Look at this. 483,000, not even 484,000 people every single month are searching for HeyGen. Isn't that dope? That means 400,000 customers are looking for your how-to. So that's why. So what I want is I'm going to export. I'm going to export all of this. Nice. I'm going to export all of this too. I think we'll capitalize on HeyGen as the keyword because I don't think AI avatar has much demand. Okay, 100,000, but still pretty competitive. So we'll take some avatar stuff. There's some low competition scores, so we're gonna export this. I'm gonna show you data. This is the hack for YouTube. This is the hack. They charge thousands for these secrets. I'm gonna give it to you for free. That keyword right there, the competition low. See how all these are low, but they have 24,000, 10,000, 2,000, 2,000, 3,000, 2,000. The low keyword, that's what you're paying for. I mean, I'm paying for the Vid IQ. That's what you're paying for Vid IQ is you're paying to find out which are the low keywords, and you're tagging at least 500 not 500, it's like 500 characters. So it's like 20 keywords basically. And then you're going to use those over and over and over. And this is how you rank to the very top of the search results for any. So if you type Gen YouTube and then you go Gen Spark tutorial, I just like flexing on this. It's just fun. If you type, I better work. If I type Gen Spark tutorial, bam, I'm number one. Do you know how hard it is to be number one at the top of a YouTube search result? You know how many millions of videos get uploaded every single day to YouTube? Like, and you're number one at the top. It's a flex, and it's using this low keyword hack that I just gave you for free. So that's why I am taking all of this sweet data. I also want faceless. It's another keyword for this. 141,000. There's some stuff there. There's not bad. Look at this right here. Yeah, faceless channel, faceless video, how to make a faceless YouTube videos, faceless channel, low. And look at this, 18,000, 19,000, 26,000, just sweet views. So we're going to export this. Now we're going to get nerdy. Now I'm going to show you what no other influencer can do, and that's manipulate spreadsheets. Because I had a 9-to-5 job that I already automated using, back in the day, I used to write software to automate my job because I was lazy. I took an 8-hour job and downloads. Can I import? We got to do these one at a time. There's a better way that I can merge, but I don't want to do it. So this is going to be number one. Replace current sheet. And we only have to do this once. Cool. And then do the next one. File. Import. No one's going to get this nerdy. 2. But you guys are watching the secret sauce. And then replace a new. Insert as a new sheet. Perfect. File. Import. Because I kind of want to know what all the faceless keywords and stuff are. Because you want to give, if you spent so much time on a video, might as well spend a little extra time, insert a new sheet, to give it, to properly tag it so that it can have a life and have some hope to get some traffic, because it is all about like how you tag and properly describe things. Replace current sheet. Okay. Insert as a new sheet. Okay, cool. So what I want is I want keywords. I want competition, and I want search volume. That's all I want. The rest can delete. Delete. So keyword, competition, search volume. That's what we want. So let's repeat that for all of them. Next one, keyword, competition, and search volume. Here, 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 here. Delete. Right now we're standardizing the data, so it's the same 3 columns on every single sheet, so that we can combine all of the sheets together. Delete. Or all of the data together to do some, this is like super nerdy stuff. This is super nerdy. If you guys are watching this, put a put Excel in the chat. Or no, Google Sheet, to let me know you made it to this far. So now we're going to take all of these and we're going to build one master one. So we're going to just duplicate this, because always keep your original data clean. So now this is going to be the new one. So that's going to be this one. So here, copy, append. See, look at that. And the numbers, see how they match and line up? That's exactly what we want, right? Competition and search volume, yeah. And then this one, okay, wait, we did this one. That was competition search volume, right? Yeah, competition search volume. This is the same, competition search volume, copy, go to here, append, go down, go to here. That's going to be the last one, which is going to be this one. This is super nerdy stuff. Google Sheet. Made it to the end of, this is super nerdy. Because now, okay, now we have all the data from all those columns in, oh shoot. Is that the right one? Yeah, master. There we go. In all of them. So now we're going to go to standardize this data. So this is going to be a number. And this, okay, so now that we standardized the data, we pushed everything into one sheet. Now we have one master sheet that has everything. We're going to do 2 things. We're going to, let's actually do filters. We're going to add a filter. And I need to filter where the condition of the value is less than 40. If the value for competition is less than 40, that means it has a low competition score. Vid IQ just puts the nice little word that says low, but if you hover over it, it's a score less than 40. So that fundamentally is telling you there. So now I know all of these, so then I can sort here, get rid of these guys, because these guys are just non-irrelevant keywords. Ooh. Notice how there's duplicates too, so let's get rid of the duplicates real quick. I'm going to select all. I'm going to go to format. No, here. Data cleanup. Remove duplicates. Remove everything based on column A. You're selecting the column that you want to remove duplicates from. Yeah. 79 duplicates removed. Perfect. Now we have perfect unique things. Now look at this. AI generated video, AI automation agency, HeyGen avatar, image to video. Each of these keywords have the highest search volume and the lowest competition. This is how you rank your videos. So now I just have to figure out how many to get me 500 characters. So I'm going to take all of these and I'm going to copy all the way down to, let's just say, about right here. That should be enough, give or take. Copy that. Actually, let me just go through. There's stuff in here that I don't need. So insert one to the left. I'm just going to go through this real quick and just remove anything that's not relevant. Filmmaking, photo to video, AI avatar free, sure. Yeah, Topaz Labs, HeyGen avatar, yep, HeyGen that. How to, sure. Let's too long. That's too long. That's okay. Don't need that. Don't need that. Faces. Okay, here. Let's see what else. Hold on one moment. Okay. Wait, I do want that. I don't want this. I don't want this. Yeah, faceless niches. HeyGen cloud, faceless digital twin. Faceless content to creative 5. Faceless. Okay, I think that's good enough there. So I'm gonna just filter and just remove everything that has check marks. Perfect. That way I know these guys are really optimized. So now I'm just going to take this, go ChatGPT, give me in CSV with in a markdown format. Cool. No. Great, but add comma. No, not every word. Shoot. No, wait. Oh, wait. Add. Oh, cool. To every line. And then combine. There's probably an easier way. I could have probably said it. I'm just being lazy. There we go. Good enough. Cool. Next, that is a total of 474 characters. I could squeeze a little bit more in, such as these guys. AI video creation. I'll take that one. Okay, that's maxed out. That extra word, you just never know. Copy, and then now I'm going to call this AI avatar faceless vid IQ keywords low competition score. Okay, cool. Now done. I'm going to save this in my notepad. I keep a notepad of content notes. I'm just going to save this here for now. And just say this is AI avatar YouTube keywords. That way in the future, I could find these and use these keywords over and over again. So now I'm going to copy this. Oh, yes. We are giving this video every chance to succeed. That's what we did. Spend the time and effort to find the right keywords that have a low competition score so your awesome video can go and start ranking #1 for all of these videos. Cool. Maximum character between all tags. Okay, we do have to delete one. There we go. That is basically. Okay, let's try this. 11. Okay, let's publish this. Okay. Man, you're going to make me delete some. There we go. Fine. There we go. Nice. Okay, last final check. Everything looks good. And make your AI avatar create content while you sleep. I feel like we can say that a little punchier. Automate content creation with your avatar. Okay, that works. All right, that was a lot of stuff, and we're done. Publish. Okay, that can go to the web. Now it has the newer version. It has the proper keywords. It's all tagged out. Now, this wasn't the most efficient way to it. As you can see, it took 2 hours basically to do all this. One, well, it'll be cheap. It'll be faster next time because basically we also built the tools. We built the custom GPT for the script. We also now have the keywords. We also have also the prompts and also the characters. So a lot of the elements that we went into like building this whole thing out, now I'm just going to save them all here. This is going to be YouTube keywords. I'm also going to save some of my avatars here so that you want to save everything in a project folder too in Notion, so that when I come back to this, if I want to do this again, oh look, I have the custom GPT that will write the scripts. I have a NotebookLM if I ever want to go back to that. There's all the YouTube keywords. Here's the avatar. I could pick him, or I could pick him. The brand voice is done. There's nothing else. It's already in the script thing. So this thing will create the script. I'll read it and then pop it over to HeyGen. So theoretically, we could get this whole process done in 30 minutes. 30 minutes to create a piece of content that looks roughly like this would be the output. So today it took 2 hours because we actually had to build the tools to do something like this. Damn, it looks really damn good. Let's just check this out for a second.
AI is coming for your job, bro. Not in 5 years, not in 10, right now. Look, Jonathan just spun me up a full AI avatar in under an hour. And guess what? Now I'm chained to this camera like a digital sweatshop worker, pumping out content while he sips lattes. The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you. Comment replaceable if you don't want to get replaced.
Why did it not output with that joke? Is like, replace me with you. Oh, I uploaded the wrong one. That's okay. I don't care. Remember, 80% good enough. I'm pretty sure actually it was this one that we uploaded though.
The scariest part, if he can replace me, he can replace you.
I want that joke.
Replaceable if you don't want to get replaced.
It's silly and stupid. I want that joke though, but that's okay. All right, so now it's now on the interweb. It's already a minute after, so it's already published. We are good now. Also, this is also very important too, since you guys are watching. Stand Store. You need to make sure you have. Oh, let's also make sure here where we can. Because the other thing too is you want to be able to okay, this is the Canva avatar slide basically. This is now done. We have everything we need to replicate this. Perfect. To build a digital clone. Nice. So we'll have him off. We did the avatar. It's now published. Perfect. We did a little HeyGen, a little VO3, a little Higgs field. And we shall see how that video will perform over the next few days. And then we did the keyword research. Nice. Looking forward to that. Other than that, that's going to be it. Good stuff today. So we built an AI avatar in less than 2 hours, basically. We also built all the infrastructure for me to copy this and clone this again. So I now have the workflows that if I want to create it again and start pumping out content, it will only take like 30 minutes. So nice. Thank you for joining me for another day of building AI with John. Highly recommend. If you're new, join the 3-day AI challenge. That's going to be Stand Store. There we go. So this, highly recommend. If you're just starting in my world, just start with the 3-day AI challenge. That's going to get you introduced to GenSpark, ChatGPT, Stand Store, and how to monetize. It's the quickest, fastest way to get up to speed with AI. And then also you get the Stand Store too. That way you can start monetizing. So it's also the quickest way. And then like Harlow, we have the AI certification program, but that's like after. You kind of have to recommend this before you go into this, but this will cover both. This basically covers the 3-day challenge. It's just all in